I do a lot of my refinishing work in the driveway when it's warm enough, and it was a pretty warm February. It was raining yesterday, so now we had a bit of a storm go through, and so we have it's wet under here because the ground is warm now, but it's also we had quite a bit of snowfall. You can tell from the stuff stacked up on my sawhorses. And so it's time to get over here and grab a shovel. You can see this is all ice blown by the wind, stuck to everything. There's my grill. Over there's my smoker and my grill. And then here's a shovel. There's my other shovel.